I'm making hidden secret brownies. I'm usually pretty good at keeping secrets, but I'm gonna let you in on this one. I'm adding beets to my regular brownie recipe. You won't believe how delicious the results are. Turn on the mixer and let that start to cream together. And while it does, I'm gonna puree the beets. I've got 8 ounces of boiled beets and I'm gonna put them in the food processor. So I'll give it a few pulses and then I'll take the lid off and scrape the sides and then I'll puree it again. Now I hear what some of you are saying, gross, beets in brownies, no way. But I tell you what, you have got to try it. You'll be hooked for life, I promise. Okay, I'll let those sit for a minute. And I'm gonna turn the mixer to the lowest speed and I'll add 3 eggs. I already cracked them. I don't want the shell in the brownie batter. Those are in. And now just a splash of vanilla. I'm gonna drizzle in some melted unsweetened chocolate. This recipe is based on my triple chocolate brownies, but what I did was remove one of the chocolates and I'm substituting the beets instead. Okay, that is looking good. So now I'm gonna mix in the beets. When you try these brownies, you'll see you do not taste the beets at all. Now I've also got to add some dry ingredients. 1 1/4 cup of flour, and then 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa. That's the second chocolate in the brownie. And I'll mix that together. It smells really good in this kitchen. So I'll add about 1/3 of this mixture into the mixer. And again, the lowest setting. I don't want everything to fly everywhere. I'm gonna crank up the mixer a bit. Just one more thing to add, some chopped walnuts, or you can use pecans, whatever you like in brownies. And that looks absolutely perfect. I am definitely going to lick this later. I will wait until I've got the brownies done. I'm gonna give the bowl a scrape just to make sure I didn't miss any chunks of flour anywhere. Now I've got a square baking pan. I greased the pan and then I lined it with parchment and then I greased the parchment itself. I do not want these brownies to stick. I'm gonna spread it into the corners and then it's just a few more steps before you see the results. So first I'll bake the brownies 350 degrees for 50 minutes. Then take them out and let them cool in the pan. I'll lift the brownie slab out, peel off the paper, cut it into 9 big squares, and pile them onto a cake stand.